Today's topic is index numbers, chapter 8. What's the meaning of an index number? An index number is a statistical device for measuring relative change in a group of related variables like prices, production, etc. over two or more different time periods. That is, an index number is defined as a specialized type of averages which measures changes in the price of commodity, industrial production, cost of living, etc. Price index numbers are commonly used. It measures relative change in prices over two or more different time periods. What are the main features of index numbers? They are expressed in percentages, special type of averages. They measure the effect of change over a period of time. Price index numbers are of two types. One is simple or unweighted. In that, weight is not considered. Unweighted price index numbers. And the second one is weighted price index numbers. There are two methods of constructing or calculating simple or unweighted. That is, first one is, as the name itself, simple aggregate method. What's the word meaning aggregate? That is, sum total of. This is, weight is not considered, unweighted it is, and it is simple aggregate method. Then from the heading itself, we do get the formula P01 index number equal to sigma, sum total of prices of the current year divided by sum total of the price of the base year into 100 outside. Always P0 base down. That is simple aggregate method. And the second unweighted price index number is simple average of price relative method. Price relative. So in this method the formula is P01 equal to sigma P1 by P0 into 100 divided by number of observations or the number of pairs of commodities. Here price relative is calculated by P1 by P0 into 100. Then it's a summation divided by number of commodities. We can do one sum. Calculate the simple aggregative price index from the following data. We can make three columns. First column commodities, second column prices of the base year, third column prices of the current year. Commodities A, B, C, D, E. 5 commodities are the P0 we can take it as 120, correspondingly B80 80, the next one 300, then 130, the next number E is 150. Under P1 we can note down the price of the base year. It's 180, 100, 400, 180, 180, and the last one is 200. So we got P0 base year and we got the current year prices. So we can write the formula simple aggregative method P01 equal to, tell me the formula, sigma P1 divided by sigma P0, put in the bracket into 100 outside. So we can see here the sum total of P0. We can add here itself unit place 0, 5 plus 3 8, 16 plus 2 18, balance 1 2 3 6 7. Sigma P0 is 780. We can see the total summation of sigma P1, total of prices of the current year, that is 0, 8 plus 8 16, balance 1 3 4 8 10. So 1060. Substitute the values in the formula. Sigma P1 is 1060. Sigma P1 is 1060 divided by 780. Do this division, then into 100. The final answer P01 is 135.89. So the indicator price index has gone up by 35.89 with reference to 100. That's why it says specialized percentages. There are two methods of calculation of unweighted price index number. So the second method is the formula using simple average of price relatives method. Second method is simple average of price relative. Average of price relative. Average can be divided by n, number of commodities. Price relative is P1 by P0. So we can do the sum. Find out the price index of the year 2008, assuming 2006 as the base year of the following data. Calculate price index unweighted. So weights are not assigned. Price index using the simple average of price relative method from the following data. Here also we need 3 columns. First column commodity. The second column price P0, that is price in the year 2006 as the base year. Third column price P1, that is of 2008. Commodities A, B, C, D, E. As 2006 is the base year, so P0 we can name it 800. Now down 1100, 400. Next one is 500, that is 300. P1 is the first one is 900, 1200, 600, 700 and 500. From this data we have to calculate price index number. Weights are not assigned, so unweighted. Using the formula price relative method, average of price relative method. So the next column we can calculate P1 by P0 into 100, price relative method. So P1 is 900 by 800 into 100, isn't it? The answer is 112.50. Do the calculation correctly. The next one is 1200 by 1100 into 100, 109.09. Next one is 600 by 400, isn't it? So 150 comes. 700 by 500 into 100. It's 140. 500 by 300 into 100. That is 166.67. Total it. The answer is P1 by P0, sigma, isn't it? Sigma P1 by P0, that is together into 100. Answer totaling 678.26. Now substitute the values in the formula. P01 equal to sigma P1 by P0 into 100. We already got the answer. That is 678.26. And it's average divided by 5 number of commodities 5, average, isn't it, divided by 5. That's the way I'm getting the mnemonics 135.65. So 35.65 indicating to the upward trend price index numbers. Okay, thank you.